Hello everyone, my name is Nori. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a swatch video. These are very popular right now. They're reflective diamond polishes. They go by a plethora of names. I've seen reflective diamond polish, I've seen disco glitter, I've seen holographic diamond polish. These polishes reflect under a bright flash. The only way to see the full effect of these particular polishes is to use the flash from your mobile's camera or to look at this polish under the bright sun. Because of that, these are what you would consider specialty polishes. That includes these new disco gels, the mood polishes, the temperature changing polishes, cat eye polishes, the galaxy polishes with the iridescent flecks. Like those are what you consider specialty polishes. Because of that, polishes like this, there's usually a premium. Most techs charge extra when they use specialty polish. The charge can range from anything from $5, $7, or even $10. It's a wonderful add-on service. But one of the things about this particular new polish is you have to explain to the client that they're only going to see this particular effect is if they use their mobile's camera. And that might be an issue. When clients pay extra, they want the results on their nails instantaneously, and having to explain like, oh, well, the only way to have people see the effect is to pull out your camera phone. Many clients won't mind, but I think it's something that you should definitely inform them of so they're not disappointed, because they're going to see the polish and without the flash, it looks like regular glitter polish. They're going to be a bit confused. So definitely explain this polish works under flash. That way they'll understand. They won't be totally disappointed and you won't have to justify the upcharge. These types of polishes tend to cost about $5 to $10 more per bottle. You don't have to charge more if you don't choose to. It's a completely personal choice. There are many brands that are coming out with these reflective polishes. I know that Daily Charm just came out with their disco reflective polishes. Madame Glam has their collection. It's going to be released soon. Enail Couture has their diamond reflective glitter, as well as Sheer Lust. I've seen these polishes on Wish, eBay, and AliExpress. Some of the diamond reflective polishes on eBay and Wish go for as low as $3 a bottle. Shop around because you can find some amazing deals. I wanted to try the polishes before I made the commitment to purchase these exact same polishes from different brands for more money. This set, I purchased it for $17.99. It's available right now on Amazon for $18.99 from the brand U-Shinein. They have two sets, diamond reflective set number 1 and diamond reflective set number 2. But if you go to Amazon and type in reflective gel polish, disco polish, you're going to get a plethora of options that come up for very affordable prices. And for me, I wanted to definitely try them before I purchased each individual polish for $10, $12 to $15 more. Up next, you're going to see the polishes all done with and without the flash. I like the polishes. I think they have great coverage. They definitely need 2 to maybe even 3 coats. The polish is beautiful, but it is a bit on the sheer side. But here you can see that I'm moving my camera flash in front of the polishes. This is the picture here. This footage is without flash, just under the bright lights of my table. And here it is with the flash on. So they are definitely reflective. They're very beautiful. You can really see the effect with the lights on and off. I'm very happy with the purchase. I may purchase Diamond Reflective set number 2. But I don't know if I'll go ahead and purchase multiple shades and different colors from different brands. So you guys tell me what you think. Leave a comment down below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.